Number 1. Kingsted T-shirts for men pack. Royally comfortable Kingsted men's t-shirts are designed to look and feel like an old favorite. These super soft classic tees for men will quickly become your favorite comfy t-shirts you wear first. Premium fabric. Our basic shirts for men are made with premium blend of polyester cotton t-shirt fabric. The finish is a wrinkle-resistant, fast-drying, and ultra-durable high-quality t-shirt for men. Number 2. Men's short sleeve crew neck t-shirt. Crafted from 100% authentic cotton, these men's t-shirts offer unmatched comfort and breathability, making them perfect for everyday wear. A versatile crew neck design, tailored for a relaxed yet stylish fit, ideal for everyday everywhere. Naturally lightweight and breathable fabric keeps you cool and fresh all. Number 3. True classic workout shirts for men. True to size fit for all-day comfort, gym shirts men love, true to size fit. These workout shirts for men are perfect for casual wear and lounging as well. Customers love its contemporary athletic cut, making it versatile for every activity, moisture-wicking and quick-dry performance. Our men's workout shirts stay dry and comfortable during intense exercise. The advanced DRI fit fabric wicks away sweat and keeps you cool, making it ideal f. Number 4. 5-pack men's active quick-dry crew neck t-shirts. Athletic crew neck shirts. Elevate your workout gear with our pack of 5 premium men's athletic crew neck shirts. These shirts provide the perfect blend of comfort and performance, whether you're pumping iron, hitting the track, or just running errands. Active style. Look and feel great in the gym with our set of 5 premium athletic crew neck t-shirts in solid colors. Perfect for layering or wearing solo, these shirts will give you. Number 5. Gildan men's crew t-shirts. Multipack, soft, breathable cotton, moisture-wicking technology keeps you cool and dry, tag-free to prevent irritation. Classic length for easy tucking, durable stitching, lay-flat collar. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.